Hey guys, as you can see from the previous clip, I have purchased a Makita LS1019 Miter Saw. I just bought a Ryobi 10-inch miter saw, and I hate that tool. I don't know why. I can't get it to cut straight. The bevels aren't right. And so I stepped up to the plate and bought a Makita. I bought the stand with it, and the following is an unboxing, and then we're going to kind of look at the saw. Alright, this box is in really good shape. The box arrived in good condition, and I thought the packaging was superior. As you can see here, this is a big saw. It's heavy. I purchased the Makita WT05 or WST05 miter saw stand. You'll see that here shortly. Okay, let's take a look at this beast. It's colder than hell in here. I got the heater on, but it's not doing much. 48 degrees. Here I'm just trying to figure out the lay of the land, find out what each knob's doing. The saw came with the blade not installed, and as you'll see here, it's kind of tricky to get the blade installed. Makita sends a little plastic square, which is, I think, pretty cool. One thing to tell you, this fence was right on out of the box. All the measurements were. This thing cuts like a dream. Alright, before I screw anything up, I'm going to read the owner's manual on that. So this is the slider lock. Won't move. Okay. Hold down clamp. I'm trying to figure out how to hook this to my shop vac or my dust extraction. I have the Rikon dust extractor, 4-inch, and I don't know how I'm going to plumb this up. This is supposed to have better or superior dust collection, but if I can't get a hose hook to it, you know, it's worthless. Okay, this is the lock here for the saw itself. And I made a cut on this. Wow. Let me just show you this. I mean, this is right on, right out of the box. The reason I'm buying this, or I bought this, this is my Ryobi, and I had the Ryobi 7.5, and it was acceptable for accuracy. This I cannot get to cut. It'll cut a 90, but that's about it. The bevels are off. It was off right out of the box. I have spent hours and hours and hours trying to get it to cut correctly, and won't happen. This so far seems to be perfect right out of the box, and just I've made a couple of cuts with it. Tomorrow I have a stand coming, and we'll get it on the stand and go over it some more. But wow, I am really, really impressed. There's a couple of things I'm concerned about. We'll go over them tomorrow. But so far, I'm really happy with this thing. Meanwhile, next day, the package arrived with the miter stand in it. So let's take a look at that. This is the owner's manual. I am kind of pressed for time, so we're going to dive right into this and get this done. So I set the saw on the box while I'm working on the stand, and that box is pretty tough. Okay, this package looked like it had been opened, but everything seems to be intact. So let's start on this. Let's see what this box is. Okay, one thing just to note on this stand, it is very, very heavy. Here's a look at the saw and the stand after I've got them put together. As you can see, I did plumb it into my dust system here in the shop, but it's not ideal. But so far, so good. Hope you like this.